Calculating discounts when receiving goods or selling products in AAAPOS RetailManager. In this video, you'll learn how to accurately calculate discounts when receiving goods or selling products using RetailManager's built-in calculator and unit cost functions. When you're receiving goods, RetailManager allows you to apply item-level discounts directly in the unit cost field. For example, if you're receiving a coffee machine with a regular unit cost of $499 and you're offered a 7% discount, you can enter $499 by 0.93, then press Tab. RetailManager will automatically calculate the discounted unit cost as $464.07. You can also use the RetailManager calculator to make these calculations even easier. To open it, press F2 in a field, or click the Assist icon, Calculator icon, next to the field. The RetailManager calculator features three special buttons: T, Cost, and Sell. Let's look at how each one works in different scenarios. Let's say you're selling an item that normally costs $20, and a customer asks for a 10% discount. In the Sell field, open the calculator and type Sell minus 10%. Then press Enter. The Sell field will now display $18. You can use the T key when a customer wants to spend a specific amount on an item. For example, if a customer wants $23 worth of lollies, open the calculator in the Quantity field and type T23. Press Enter, and the Quantity field will show how many lollies they can get for $23, including tax. You can also use the T key in the Discount field to round a sale total. For example, if the total sale is $1,340.85 and you want to round it down to $1,300, open the calculator in the Discount field and type T1300. Press Enter, and the Discount field will display $40.85, the amount needed to reduce the total. Please note, in some fields, the T, Cost, and Sell buttons will be grayed out if they are not available. The Cost button may be grayed out if cost pricing is password protected. You can manage this through RetailManager's security settings. Let's recap the key points. Apply discounts at the unit cost level using formulas like $499 by 0.93. Use the built-in RetailManager calculator for quick calculations. Use Sell minus X% to discount selling price, and T amount to calculate quantity or discount from total price. Use F2 or the Assist icon to launch the calculator. Some calculator features are disabled in restricted or password-protected fields. By mastering these tools, you'll speed up your workflow and eliminate manual errors.